Hello and welcome. I'm just back from Lidl where I picked up this Parkside pressure washer for $79.99. It's PHD170D2, 2400 watt, 500 litres an hour, 170 bar washer. So I'm just going to get out of the box to see what we got for that money. Before I open this, I must comment on one thing. I think it's very light for the size of motors in it. That worries me somewhat. Let's see what we have here. Nice little brush attachment, and this must be wash detergent. Nice book. Hopefully we'll not have to resort to that. Top half of the lance, bottom half of the lance. Must be a couple of nozzles or something. We'll look at that later. It's got a reel for the hose. It's incredibly light. Took this into the workshop to have a good old look at it. On-off switch in the top looks very nice. Comes with the wheels fitted, which I can only be grateful for. Detergent bottle at the back, and it's got a reel, which is very, very handy. I would say, and this is not a bad criticism because this is only $79.99, bear in mind, it wouldn't be a phenomenally good quality hose, but what can you expect for that kind of money? Attachment to the handle, lift it up, the little nozzle cleaner just at the top there. Of course, fitted plug as you would expect, you know. Very little assembly is necessary with these Parkside tools, but they have sent this little envelope. What's in it is a nozzle end, a filter, a hose tail, and a quick release. The first three items in the pack, we just put them in. The filter goes in first, then the hose tail screws on, and the quick release hose fitting goes straight on there, like so. Lance assembly here is quite simple. Just slots in, you know, like all these other lances, you know, straight like that. Nozzle in the end, you see there's a nozzle already fitted. But this is the turbo nozzle for the concrete, this other one. That slots straight in as well. So it's pretty good too. Pretty easy. So that's all there is to the lance, and then you'd have to connect your hose to the lance as well. Pull out a little bit of hose, and you see there's a button here in the bottom of your lance. Look, see that button there? That spreads that there and allows you to slot this in. That's now in place. A real nice feature in this Parkside is the slot here. If you take off the lance again, the half lance, you know, like that, you actually get real tidy storage for your lance there. I love that. These on either side beside the rail to just store your other pieces, you know. So like I said earlier, they've supplied this detergent bottle with a child-proof and idiot-proof lid. Oh, there it is. And we're just going to fill up this little tank now. I purchased this item was I wanted a pressure washer that was lower power than my petrol one. Here's my petrol one, and it's very good, but it's a bit sore in the paintwork and the cars. Like this could just be enough to do my job. So let's try that out. With the power going to her and with the water going to her. So it's time to get her going and see what happens. Good auto stop. Once you depress the trigger, she'll go, and then once you let go, the motor automatically stops. That's a very good feature. Pulled out the hose to show you. Look at this. I think that's about an 8-meter hose there. Good long hose. That's another great feature. Adding a bit of concrete to see if it makes a difference, you know. There we are now. That's adjustable. And to protect the detergent. Not as good, but it's ideal for washing the car. This is not what I bought this for, but it's, you know, it's done a reasonable enough job there. Right, we're on to what I really bought this for now. Washing the car. If you recall, the brush attachment just clips on there, the same as the other one. And adjust it there too, which I think I'll have to do. Getting those little stains, bird lime and whatever, good round the wheels, I would say. But don't use the turbo nozzle with your car, or you're going to need a paint job. Just remember that, just this nozzle in your car. To sum up what we just learned about this Parkside, very compact, nice storage in the handle, and indeed the hose and the accessories. Like the big switch at the top. The brush is a nice touch. It's pretty much plug and play coming out of the box. There's not much to do to get it up and going. It is, however, amazingly light, and I'm wondering if that motor is all they make it out to be, and if it is putting out 170 bar, I'm not so sure. So overall, compact, affordable, $79.99. You'll not beat it in price anyway. Whether the numbers are right on the box or not, whether it is 170 bar, whether it is 2,400 watt motor, doesn't really matter. It does the job for the money. Ideal for washing cars and a little bit of concrete work. It'll not last for years due to the hose. The hose is probably the thing that's going to give up on it, because it's not phenomenal quality. But all in all, definitely worth the money for a homeowner that's not going to use it every day. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.